QC35 is my all-time favorite headphones. Here is why. Okay, I've been using it for the past 4 years. These were manufactured in 2017. Then I also got the 700. I found myself using these a lot more. Although this is the first gen, it does not have the voice assistant button. The design is simply better. These touch controls are such a gimmick. I would totally recommend QC35. These are really heavily worn. I got the replacement earbuds that I will probably, remove my old ones. Anyway, here's why these are so great. Usability. These toggle switch on and off is a fantastic design compared to this button. I always accidentally press the button and activate the headphones. Prefer these buttons here too as well. For the volume control up and down, your thumb naturally rests on these buttons when you pick them up or when you're trying to make adjustments. It's really easy to find, and the play button is slightly recessed. And you can easily tell this is play and pause, and up and down, and there's no way you would accidentally, turn it on or off. In terms of sound quality, these are really comparable, and they haven't, I just couldn't tell the difference. In terms of comfort, it has less clamping force than the 700. I feel like this one is less comfortable than this. The QC35 has the identical ANC performance, although not as much clamping force on your head. Okay. Another thing is it is also super durable. You have the sloped ear pads, and my ear is barely touching the inside. Only one complaint, of course, it's been 4 years. This is micro USB, and the Q700 is Type-C charging. Okay. This part is pretty cool, but hey, there's really nothing wrong with, the traditional telescopic adjustment. Right, let me try to replace the ear pads. After 4 years, these are original. Starting to peel off. I use them almost every day. This is the brand new one replacement I got from Amazon. These are not Bose original. Left and right. Let me put these stickers on. just finished installing the AirPods. These are from 4 years ago original. These are third-party replacements. Looks pretty good. And the included tool, it was really useful to push the edge under the clips. There are multiple clips, maybe 7 or 8 around the edge on each AirPods. You can sort of see that one there. Now it's as good as new. I'm ready to use it for another 4 years. This is the 700. Now these are ready to go to the trash. Anyway, QC35 is a wonderful piece of product. I think it is the true king of ANC Bluetooth headphones. I love them.